Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about Swan. Number 1. Swan is a beautiful bird. Number 2. They are highly intelligent. Number 3. They love to swim in the water. Number 4. Swans are water birds. Number 5. Swan spends most of its time in the water. Number 6. They mate for life. Number 7. Swan is a large bird with a long neck. Number 8. They are big-footed bird. Number 9. Swans eat small insects, fishes and other small animals. Number 10. They can sleep standing on one leg. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.